Baofeng BF-F8HP is arguably the best ham radio for beginners due to its affordability, ease of use, and popularity among beginners as well as experienced hams. It's a powerful handheld radio as it boasts of 3 power levels, i.e. low 1 watt, medium 4 5 watts, or high 7 8 watts. With this radio, it's possible to monitor 2 channels simultaneously thanks to its dual-watch receiver, also known as semi-duplex. You don't have to worry about not having enough power when you have the 2000 mAh power battery as your backup. Another cool feature is the FM broadcasting capability. The best thing about it is that it can accommodate a total of 128 channels that are programmable and can be put to memory. There's the option of adding or removing channels, hence you get to choose what you want to listen to. In addition, incoming calls will always be given priority over the FM broadcast radio. This ensures you don't miss any radio calls while on the radio. To sum it up, the pros of the Baofeng BF-F8HP are that it's affordable and the best ham radio for under $100. It has good sound quality, transmission power, and reception is decent. Battery life is great. It's easy to use, and it comes with a better antenna. Downside, you may need a USB cable or computer to configure it, and the increased power output does not make a significant difference. Overall, it's the best handheld ham radio under $100. So what do you think? Is this the best handheld ham radio for you? Check another video where we reviewed the 5 best handheld ham radios and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.